Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give information on screenshot notification settings. To enable that settings and to view it, you can come up to the side menu, click on settings and under time app come up to the screenshot notification. Now this screen stops showing a notification that comes up as a screenshot being taken inside the desktop application. So whenever a user is using a desktop application, there comes a screenshot pop-up that the screenshot has been taken. If you wish to disable that pop-up inside your organization, then you can just disable it from here. If you wish to enable it for all of the members at a one go, you can enable, just toggle it to the right and get it enabled. To have the settings done with respect to the individual member, you can just toggle it inside the section from here, and then right it can be enabled and left it can be disabled. The member name is written here and it can be done with respect to the each member name. The search of the member can be done from here. Now this reflection is going to be shown on the desktop applications of the Workstatus. This was all about the screenshot notification setting. Thank you.